Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up and access your voicemail on Jethro's new 4G SC490 phone. This is going to be really great for when you're unable to answer your phone so your friends and family can still reach you. Now let's get into this. Setting up and retrieving your voicemail is very easy on this phone. All you need to do is press and hold the button 1 and you'll be able to set up and also retrieve any voicemails that you have. Alternatively, you can also just call your own phone number from your phone and it will do the same thing. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment any questions or concerns you may have, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, giveaways, and other fun things. I've also included the link in the description below to our affordable, flexible, and reliable Jethro mobile plans, starting at just $5 a month, so don't forget to check those out. Thanks for watching!